by Caitlin Clark এবং teammates for Kelsey Mitchell. Kelsey Mitchell is the franchise. Kelsey embodies what the Fever are all about. Those were the exact words Aaliyah Boston and Caitlin Clark chose when asked what Kelsey Mitchell means to the Indiana Fever. And with Mitchell now entering her 9th season, every single one of them spent in Indiana, it's hard to argue with that description. She is not just a player who has been with the franchise, in many ways, she is the franchise. Because prior to the noise, the hype and the announcements, there was Mitchell, holding everything tight together. The Fever clearly feel that weight too. In a gesture that spoke to just how deeply Mitchell is valued within the organization, the team put together a heartfelt tribute video featuring players from across the roster sharing what she means to them personally and to the team as a whole. The result was something genuinely moving, a beautiful and emotional piece that captured not just a player's legacy, but the kind of human connection that makes a locker room more than just a collection of athletes. The tribute video trailer, shared on the franchise A's official X page, also drew an immediate reaction from Fever General Manager Amber Cox, who responded with a heart emoji. And make no mistake, this tribute is not the kind that comes wrapped in sentiment for a veteran whose best days are behind her. Because even after 8 seasons, Mitchell is anything but winding down. If anything, the 2025 season was the finest of her career. In the absence of Caitlin Clark for the majority of the year, Mitchell stepped into the void and delivered something remarkable. She led the entire WNBA in three-pointers made with 111, and ranking second in total points scored with 890. She carried the Fever to the WNBA semifinals for the first time in a decade. The team also claimed the Commissioner's Cup along the way. In the full tribute video shared on the Fever A's YouTube channel, Clark, who missed the bulk of last season, spoke with genuine warmth about what Mitchell brings to the franchise and how much her absence was felt. She's the fastest player in the league, Clark said. She's the best cutter, she's a tremendous shooter, and she's just a really good teammate. I certainly missed playing with her last year. So I'm really excited about that again. Mitchell arrived in Indiana as the number 2 overall pick in the 2018 WNBA draft. And in the years since, she has built a legacy that is woven into the fabric of the franchise. A 3-time WNBA All-Star, she has surpassed 4,800 career points. She holds the Fever record for most career three-pointers made with 669. She also set the single-season scoring record of 890 points in 2025. Perhaps most staggering of all, she has appeared in 277 out of a possible 282 regular season games. That is, she missed just 5 in her entire 8-year tenure. That kind of availability and durability is as much a part of her legacy as any stat line. Her teammates understand exactly what that means. If you don't have Kelsey Mitchell, we don't have the team that we have, Sophie Cunningham said plainly in the tribute video. She's been with the Indiana Fever from the very beginning, when it was maybe a lot harder to play here. But every little thing that Kelsey Mitchell gets, she 100% deserves. Lexi Hull, who had Mitchell as a veteran during her own rookie year in 2022 and has since grown into a veteran herself, echoed that sentiment from a deeply personal place. Kelsey Mitchell has put in so much time and effort into building this team into what it is today, Hull said. I learned so much from her and continue to do so every single day. And beyond the court, the praise goes even deeper. Hull described Mitchell simply as, really one of the best humans that she knows. For Clark, the appreciation also goes beyond basketball. She's a really great person. And I think that's probably what she loves about this place as well. She loves the people. These people really value her and what she brings to this organization, Clark said. In what the Fever GM Amber Cox emphasized, highest priority, Kelsey Mitchell enters the 2026 season on the back of signing a landmark 1-year, $40 million Supermax contract. She is fully healthy. She has been an active participant throughout the 2026 preseason. And she is ready to go from day one of the regular season on May 9. The tribute has been paid. Now it's time for the 9th chapter. If the last one is anything to go by, the best may genuinely still be ahead. The Indiana Fever are one of the most popular teams in the WNBA. Ever since Caitlin Clark arrived in 2024, the team has seen a massive growth in popularity, frequently selling out games at home and on the road, as well as merchandise. Indiana has a huge following on social media, boasting over 990,000 followers on Instagram and over 250,000 followers on X. Naturally, everything the team posts often draws plenty of attention from their supporters. However, as one of the Fever Ace posts on Friday proved, not everything they share on social media gets positive reactions. Indiana shared a lengthy message about their fans to promote the "Now You Know" catchphrase, a campaign that they started last season. However, many couldn't help but notice how the Fever Ace message appeared to be too general. "What in the ChatGPT hell," a commenter wrote. Another one strongly stated, "You guys are using AI to create content and it's blatantly obvious. Didn't even remove the M-2 at least try to pass this off as not written by ChatGPT," a poster noted.